Welcome to Reason VR. Today we're going to look at a project which creates a VR world and one in which you can buy and sell goods and services using cryptocurrencies on a blockchain. The project is called Decentraland. Please note that I am not going to comment on whether the cryptocurrencies are a good investment or not. I am just going to talk about how they are used in the project. Any investment decisions are, naturally, your responsibility. I am not providing financial advice.
What if you could own the virtual world? Create, develop, and trade without limits. Make genuine connections. And earn real money. Decentraland, a fully immersive platform powered by the blockchain. Buy land. Design your experience. And transform the way people see the world. Purchase the first ever virtual real estate. Get started today.
So, why create a VR world at all, you may well ask? Here's some of the reasons. You can go anywhere in this world from home, and that could include virtual tourism, events and concerts. Eventually, I imagine that you could also be able to buy and sell anything in this world, both tangible items, which could be sent to you physically later on, or virtual items, which you could obtain immediately, such as online training and education, or by downloading digital images and other digitized products. Some of the visual content you see, such as for tourism, could be 360-degree film, which enables you to view around and about you, so it will be real in one sense. Virtual environments might be used for events and conferences. Over time, as VR becomes better and better, it will be increasingly difficult to distinguish virtual environments from reality. I think we are probably at least several years away from that currently, however. At the moment, Decentraland is only viewable via PC or Mac on Chrome or Firefox browsers and not headsets. But no doubt the intent is to enable headset use in due course. Now I'll get into the details, and I've tried to summarise the Decentraland white paper for your easier reference here. Decentraland state that they aim to establish a network that allows its content creators to own and capture the full value of their contributions. You can buy parcels of land in Decentraland. New parcels need to be adjacent to a non-empty parcel. It was thought better to have this system rather than infinite existing land because users would have difficulty finding relevant locations, products and services if land were infinite. By requiring land to be adjacent, it seems to be hoped that this will make things easier to find and that people offering products can get more users by purchasing land in high traffic areas. Adjacency also enables the creation of districts devoted to a special topic or theme. Secondary markets can develop around land ownership and rentals. Cryptocurrencies allow for trustless payment channels to be established between parties. In terms of advertising, brands may advertise using billboards near or in high traffic land parcels to promote their products, services and events. Decentraland suggests that some neighbourhoods might become virtual versions of Times Square in New York City, for example. Now turning to the technical structure of Decentraland, there are several layers to this. The consensus layer or base layer uses an Ethereum blockchain smart contract to keep a ledger of ownership for land parcels in the virtual world. The ledger is made up of non-fungible blockchain tokens or assets called land. Land NFTs have unique XY coordinates telling you where it is, an owner, and a reference to the content description file, which encodes what the landowner wants to serve there. NFTs are unique cryptographic tokens that exist on a blockchain and cannot be replicated. Tokenizing these assets allows them to be bought, sold and traded more efficiently while reducing the probability of fraud. Land is bought by burning mana, an Ethereum blockchain-based fungible, i.e. non-unique blockchain token of standard value and fixed supply. The land contract uses a burn function to destroy mana and create a new entry in the land registry. Above this layer, we have the land content layer. Decentraland uses a decentralized storage system to distribute the content needed to render the world. The current solution uses the BitTorrent and Kademlia distributed hash table networks to store details about content for each parcel of land. However, IPFS, or the Interplanetary File System, which is a peer-to-peer network for storing and sharing data in a distributed file system, provides a potential alternative in the future. This decentralized storage system allows the world to exist as long as it has users distributing content, shifting the cost of running the system to the same actors that benefit from it. Hosting these files and the bandwidth required to serve this content has significant costs. Currently, users of the Decentraland peer-to-peer network are enabling access to the content without compensation and out of goodwill. The proceeds of Decentraland's continuous sale of mana can cover these costs over the long run. At the top level, we have the real-time layer. This enables Decentraland users to connect to each other. Users communicate with each other by establishing peer-to-peer connections with the help of servers hosted by landowners or third parties. Decentraland say that this layer also includes a fast payment low fee system, as well as an identity system based on coordinates of land that allows users to establish ownership over original creations. Turning now to a few challenges. The first challenge involves download speeds. Retrieving a file from a distributed hash table or a distributed peer-to-peer storage system has in the past been too slow. Specifically, in a graphical application like Decentraland, users will want a fast reaction time from the system. The second issue involves availability and ensuring that content is sufficiently distributed around the network without loss. Decentraland hope that IPFS and Filecoin will help to address these issues. Finally, filtering content unsuitable for young audiences is a potential difficulty. Decentraland expect a reputation-based market approach to develop here, where users could select one or more providers of filtering lists that track the type of content being served on each parcel of land. Okay, so I hope you found that helpful. That's all for now from us. See you in another video, or take a look at our website at reasonvr.com.